Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best stress ball maker kit is probably one of the most engaging and therapeutic ways to unwind and get creative, offering a hands-on experience that transforms simple materials into personalized stress relief companions, perfect for anyone looking to de-stress, fidget, or even create unique party favors and gifts that are as fun to make as they are to squish. Number 5. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun with this exciting slime-making kit. It's designed to spark creativity and let kids design their own unique slimes. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need to create amazing slimes. You'll find glues, activators, scents, mix-ins, and all the tools for customization. More than just a toy, this kit helps develop important skills. Kids can explore creativity, make decisions, and learn through hands-on mixing and design. Dive into a world of sensory play with this interactive arts and crafts kit. Enjoy stretchy, squishy textures and vibrant colors for endless creative crafting. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even includes a storage container for easy cleanup and repeat play. Indulge in the fun of cherry-scented creations. This kit allows for the personalization of scents, mix-ins, and decorations for truly one-of-a-kind slimes. What we like? This kit offers a delightful sensory experience with its cherry scent and a wide array of 31 pieces for customization. If you are looking for a creative outlet that also helps develop fine motor skills and encourages imaginative play, this is a fantastic choice for kids aged 8 to 12. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to make stress balls. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. The finished stress balls were durable and held their shape well. Number 4. IMPRESA Squishy Stress Ball Set. Discover a fun way to engage your senses and relieve stress. These unique balls are perfect for both kids and adults looking for a creative outlet. Crafted from tear-resistant materials, these toys are built to last. They are also free from harmful chemicals, making them safe for the whole family. Take them anywhere you go. These compact squeeze balls are ideal for use at home, during therapy, or while on the move. Enjoy a visually stimulating experience with their bright colors. They help improve focus and concentration while providing much-needed sensory input. These are excellent tools for managing anger and regulating emotions. They provide valuable sensory input for children and adults alike. What we like? Designed for durability and safety, these stress balls are made from robust, tear-resistant materials, free from harmful chemicals. If you need reliable stress relief tools for both children and adults, or are looking for sensory toys that can withstand frequent use, this pack of 3 is an excellent option. What people say. The Stress Ball Maker Kit is a fantastic way to create custom stress balls. It's easy to use and the instructions are clear, making it suitable for all ages. The kit includes everything you need to get started, with plenty of materials for multiple stress balls. Number 3. Dr. Squish Squishy Maker Station. Bring the magic of squishies to life at home with this original DIY Squishy Maker Kit. You can craft your very own squishy toys, just like Dr. Squish. This complete kit has everything you need for squishy making excitement. You'll find a maker, spoon, slime powder, balloons, sparkles, confetti, clips, and ribbon for endless creative fun. Use the maker to inflate your squishy to the perfect size. Then, fill it with your choice of materials like slime, sparkles, or confetti and let your imagination run wild. This kit comes with reusable clips, so you can create squishies again and again. It's a hassle-free way to make your own without any mess. Whether you're into big squishies or small ones, this maker offers endless fun for everyone. It's safe to use for ages 8 and up. Squeeze, play, and enjoy. What we like? This all-in-one station provides everything needed to create personalized squishies, from the maker itself to various fillings like sparkles and slime powder. If you love the idea of making your own squishy toys with endless customization options and a simple, mess-free process, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Stress Ball Maker Kit is a fun and engaging activity for kids and adults alike. It comes with everything you need to make several stress balls, including different colors and fillings. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it simple to create custom stress balls in minutes. Number 2. FunKidz DIY Magic Bouncy Balls Making Kit. Unleash your creativity with this amazing kit. Simply pour the colorful powder into the container, place it in warm water, and watch the magic happen. You'll have your own bouncy balls in no time. This kit is designed for endless fun. With easy-to-use connectors and transparent molds, you can see the colors come to life. It's a fantastic way to explore your artistic side. Don't let the fun end after one use. Store your creations in a sealed bag, and they'll stay bouncy for your next playtime. Enjoy them again and again. Spark your curiosity with this science kit. It's a hands-on educational experience that encourages problem-solving and critical thinking. Learn while you play. Our bouncy balls are larger than ever, making them safer and more enjoyable for kids. Experience the thrill of creating and playing with bigger, hexagon-shaped balls. Want your bouncy balls to last even longer? A little spray of water and storing them in an airtight bag will keep them perfectly elastic for at least a week. Whether it's a rainy day, a birthday party, or a school project, this kit is the perfect activity. Bring excitement and learning to any event. What we like? This kit allows you to create the biggest bouncy balls, offering a fun and simple science experiment with long-lasting results. If you're seeking a craft activity that produces impressive, large-sized bouncy balls and doubles as an engaging science lesson for kids aged 6 to 12, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to make multiple stress balls. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The stress balls are durable and hold up well to frequent use. Number 1. Dr. Squish Squishy Maker Refill Pack. Keep the creative fun going with this complete refill pack. It includes everything you need to make more of your favorite squishy creations. Designed to work with your squishy maker, this set lets you continue to create. You can make squishies of all different sizes and decorate them however you like. Unleash your imagination by adding glitter, confetti, or ribbons to your designs. Craft unique stress balls and squishy toys that are perfect for squeezing. This refill kit is ideal for anyone aged 8 and older who loves making squishies. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity and makes a great gift. With flexible balloons and reusable clips, you can experiment with endless shapes and textures. Make small, medium, or even giant squishies for amazing sensory play. What we like? This is a complete refill kit designed to keep the squishy making fun going, providing balloons and clips for creating various sizes of squishies. If you already own the Dr. Squish Squishy Maker and want to continue crafting unique stress balls and toys, this refill pack is essential for endless creative play. What people say. The kit is easy to use and the instructions are clear. The stress balls come out looking great and are very satisfying to squeeze. It's a fun and creative activity for kids and adults alike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.